Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. And today we are going to be making buttery shortbread cookies. Yes, these cookies are delicious any time of the year, but especially at the holiday time. You can use your cookie cutters, roll them out and make all kind of fancy shapes. They are delicious anytime, day or night. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, the easy and simple way, subscribe so that you'll always get my videos and tap that bell so you'll always be notified. We're going to get started right now. Okay, diving right in, we have our butter already in our mixing bowl, and we're going to be adding a cup of powdered sugar. These are simple and easy. It's not a lot of ingredients, about 5. I'm also adding about a tablespoon of just pure vanilla extract. Then we're going to mix this together until it's light and fluffy. It's only going to take a few minutes. Once we get it light and fluffy, it should look like this. Okay, now guys, after we get it all mixed and light and fluffy, then we're going to add our flour. Now you want to make sure your flour doesn't have any lumps, so just give it a quick stir with a whisk or something like that. Then we're going to be adding it in a little bit at a time and just beating it until it's well combined and it's very, very crumbly. You don't want to put it all in at once, but this is what it wants to look like at the end. Nice crumbs. Now we're going to add about a tablespoon or 2 of just regular milk so that we can go ahead and get it really smooth and well combined. Then we're going to put it in our piping tool and get it all piped out. Okay guys, I've started piping now. It's in my piping tube. And you have to refill your piping tube or bag periodically, but you just want to press down and take it into a circle as you go along. We're going to get all these piped out. As I mentioned before, you don't have to pipe them. You can actually take a rubber spatula and spread your dough all over your tray with parchment paper. Then put it in the freezer for maybe about 10 minutes or so. You want to firm it back up so that you can go ahead and use cookie cutters. That way, if it's just a little bit more firm, you can just press straight down with your cookie cutters. I'm piping it out, so my dough needs to be a little bit softer so that it will go through the tubing nice and smooth. So we're just going to get the rest of these piped out, guys. And again, after they're all piped out, I need to put them back in the freezer for about 10 minutes. You want that butter to be nice and cold before it goes into the oven. That way the cookies won't spread. They'll just stay like they are. So I'm going to stick these in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so now after we have them in the freezer, the next thing is just to get them all baked up. 10 minutes should do it in the freezer. Now we're pretty much ready to get these into the oven. Yes, okay guys, we're going to put them in a 350-degree oven. They're right here. Then when we take them out, guess what guys? Cool them and we're done. Okay, so I have them on my cooling rack. They've sat here for a few minutes. And look guys, look how crispy they are. They just snap right open and they are delicious and we are done. Yes, look at that guys. Don't they look nice and buttery and crisp on the edges? Just the right amount of browning. And guys, like I said, you can use these cookies. You can put a filling in them and make them sandwich cookies. You can roll them out and use your cookie cutters. You can do just about anything. The recipe is nice, simple, quick, and easy. And if you like these how-to videos, guys, please consider supporting me over on Patreon. I have the link in the description as well as right here. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you think. And guys, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so that you'll always get my videos. And ring that bell so you'll always be notified. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out and baking these cookies with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.